Hi to everybody. Today I'm in US at the Grande Yacht, and I have just booked my business bedroom that is equipped with a meeting room space. So I will have a gentleman here today, but what I'm so happy to introduce you is the technology of Mago. So we have Mago Essential that is running on this big TV, and it's a very powerful solution, software solution that run perfectly into the small IoT device, Windows 11 or Chromecast device, like in this case, and also is available for some SOC, so pre-installed, an example, in LG TV or Philips and Sony running Google TV. Or optionally, you can also add the Fire TV stick on Amazon or any Android dongle or set of boxes. So let's start the experience. So inside the meeting room, I'm just running my Windows 11 and no network dependency. I can just press Windows K on the keyboard and I see Mago Essential. So tapping on this in 2 seconds, I'm connected. So the experience is very smooth, independent if I'm using Windows 11, Android or Macintosh, including iOS, so smartphone and iPad. So a second feature is if the room is equipped with a camera, just a USB camera connected to the receiver behind the TV, I could add this fantastic feature. So we have just released a wireless BYOM kit. So just connecting this dongle, no button to press, no memory inside. It's TAA compliant. So I'm able to redirect the camera of the TV directly to my laptop. And in this case, I can run and host a call on Teams, Zoom, WebEx, or any platform hassle-free without having a codec and the cost of the licensing and subscription in the shared spaces. So this is the perfect solution for business travelers. A second application that today I would like to introduce is Mago Stage. Let's look around on Mago Stage. Stages are just a folder synchronized with my corporate or personal cloud drive. So we support OneDrive, Google Drive, so no need to sign in or sign up. You just sign in with your Microsoft 365 account and then you press New and you can create stages. You can also have a private server for storing the metadata and the contents that you generate also from the tablet. So let's see an example. So I organized my presentation in Mago folder, and now I'm on my iPad and my presentation is opening. Here we have a very interesting bar that is synchronized content hosted on my private server. And again, I can have a presentation and also data sheets, comparison, video, and also we can take pictures in a special way, so I will introduce you in a few seconds. And I can organize folders, so you have a folder and then you can add multiple content inside the folder. So with the plus button, I can have import from camera directly, photo library, and the files on my tablet. An example, I can scan paper, AR camera, so I can take a picture and remove in the background automatically with AI capabilities, or notes, so it's a sort of whiteboard, and web pages, YouTube, and MagoCast, so I can also cast my laptop on the big screen or inside the tablet, just sharing a 6-digit code. And of course, I can pull content from OneDrive, Google Drive, and Mago Drive. How I can connect this presentation to the receiver running on the bedroom? So just scanning the QR code from my laptop or tablet, and the tablet is automatically connected to the screen. So let's see now the experience. As soon as it's synchronized with my server, it's pulling the content directly from my server. So now my server is hosted in Microsoft Azure, and we have several deployment options. So we can have also on private cloud, on-prem on VMware, running into the data center on a physical server. So let's see some functionality unique of Mago Stage. Mago Stage is available as app. So in this case, you're running the native app on iOS device, but you can use also a web browser Chrome or Chromium browser or Edge on Windows and Macintosh. So basically, now I want to swipe content from my tablet, and the content is automatically swiped. I can put in full screen, and then bringing my Apple Pencil, I'm able to smart annotate, and you see that everything is synchronized also on the big screen. So very, very powerful. Smart annotation is one of the preferred features. And if I want to add other content, I just drag and drop content inside the canvas. An example, I want to add a video clip like this one. I just press add to stage, and is automatically side by side positioning the content on the stage, including into the TV. And now, just tapping and controlling from my touch screen in this tablet, or using mouse and keyboard if you are using the browser, I'm able to start and play and fast forward and pause, and putting also in full screen video clips. So now you see how it's moved.
Hi to everybody, here Cristiano from Mago.
Okay, all right. So now pressing pause is in pause. Okay. What else? So I can add an example notes. So I have here in this folder, I want to add to stage notes. And adding notes, I can, of course, write here into the small pop-up, or I can put in full screen, and is automatically connected to the big TV. Hello from a yacht. So this is the very, very powerful platform for business travelers, for employees of company that want to easily present content without moving from the security of the company, and having a very, very powerful experience with digital asset. Just to conclude, I want to show you two cool features. One is the support also of 3D files. So now I want to add the 3D files, and 3D files is a common format, so it's GLB format. And we can also use mixed reality, so we can place, an example, this cool interactive screen that is 3D generated, and I can also put in full screen, you see, and then I can rotate, and I can also zoom in, zoom out, so it's very, very powerful. And what else? So on the tablet we have a camera, so I can start the video conference, and then the video conference is starting side by side on the screen, and in a few seconds you see that it's starting. And if you don't have a camera, you can use the camera of the tablet or phone, and then you have also a way to position, and you can, an example, position on top, and positioning on top, now the video conferencing is starting on top of the screen, and the content is of course synchronized. So it's very, very easy to use, and hassle-free. I can tap and invite people, so just sending the link to airdrop, to messages, Telegram, WhatsApp, by mail, notes. So it's one of the options. So stay sync on mago.io, and ready, the official launch of Mago Stage will be communicated. Thank you.